20 ways to keep going when you're a single mom. Ladies, we here at Single Moms Make Money want to encourage and uplift you. So here are 20 methods to remain motivated and cheerful. As a single parent, you have to cope with the stresses of work, arguments with the other parent, criticism from family members, and the challenges of disciplining your children. This might sap your willpower and leave you questioning whether there is any hope for a brighter future. As a single mother, 1. Don't be too hard on yourself. It's tempting to set yourself up against other parents, whether they're moms you know, or moms you've seen on Pinterest. For whatever reason, your kids don't like spinach and carrots, but your sisters do. With 2 children under 5, it's impossible to keep your home pristine. No mother is perfect, and your children won't mind if you serve them pizza for supper instead of a fancy meal. In the end, what counts is how well you execute your job to get a support system. If you're low on motivation, look for a decent support network. When things become tough, reach out to other single mothers in your area and collect their contact information. You may also call friends who are single mothers and vent your concerns with them. For additional support and wise advice, consider paying for family members' visits. 3. A way to express your creativity. Don't allow work and food preparation to take up all of your waking hours. Find something you like doing and stick with it. If you're a fan of bargain hunting, consider starting a blog to assist other single mothers in doing the same. Set up a YouTube channel to aid first-time home buyers and sellers by sharing your industry knowledge. You will have a lot of fun doing this. And you may even make some additional money, for exercise should be part of your daily routine. You will feel better both physically and psychologically if you schedule regular exercise into your schedule. You will also have more energy and enthusiasm for the rest of the day. Working out in your living room while watching internet workout videos does not need a club membership. When you exercise with your children, they learn about the value of remaining physically active for long life. 5. Learn a new skill. Learning new things will keep your brain active. If you've always wanted to learn how to do various kinds of crafts, check out some books from the library. After that, you may try them out with the kids on the weekends. Attend a local teachers' conference if you wish to better your teaching profession. 6. Examine your long-term goals. Long-term ambitions may often keep you motivated on difficult days. Look at your reasons for quitting a regular job and see whether they'll help you find work from home. If you're tempted to buy clothing you don't need, consider how much farther you'll be from your summer vacation savings goal if you do so. 7. Congratulate yourself on a job well done. Self-congratulation is also a good way to keep oneself motivated. Make sure to celebrate the fact that after months of practice at home, your 6-year-old can now read proficiently. You may also celebrate yourself for losing 10 pounds by making a nutritious snack at home. Keep up the excellent effort and you'll be rewarded. 8. Keep a diary or journal. Keeping a diary isn't simply about writing down your daily activities. Your notebook may help you keep track of where you are emotionally, spiritually, and physically at any given point in your life. It's easier to get back on track if you can identify where you've fallen off. A pattern of days in which you get angry with your children for no apparent reason may indicate that you need to investigate the root cause. After that, you may go to work on making adjustments. 9. Avoid trying to live up to the expectations of others. For some single mothers, a lack of drive stems from the fact that they're always attempting to meet the standards of others. The expense of living in a new up-and-coming city may be too much for you and your family to take, even if you've always wanted to live there. Some of your friends may be against you homeschooling your children. Don't allow others' opinions to deter you from doing what's right for you and your family. 10. Maintain a consistent routine. You lose your motivation when you don't follow a regular schedule. You may construct a weekly routine that works for you. Incorporate the most vital chores into your calendar. If you have a YouTube channel, this may involve editing your videos, writing blog entries, working gym, or cleaning the home. 11. Study case studies of success. Another method to keep inspired is to read some success stories of single moms achieving wonderful things with their lives. Learn from others' experiences and apply what they've learned to your position. The biggest incentive for achieving your goals is knowing that others like you have done so. 12. Find out what isn't working. Keep doing the correct things, but consider removing the things that don't work for you from your routine. Because of your inconsistent discipline, decide to be less lax and more regimented as a parent. Switch to a midnight workout program. If you haven't been exercising because you can't get up in the morning. 13. Listen to inspiring music. This is a great approach to remain motivated since music has the power to encourage you. Listen to various types of music using your music streaming app. This is a great tool if your day's activities are tedious or monotonous. 14. Take one step at a time to reach your goals. You've got a big arm, but it's made up of smaller ones. Be patient and don't become frustrated if some of your objectives aren't met on a given day. To go where you need to go. You may always come up with fresh ideas. 15. Be aware that your children are paying attention. Your children closely observe your every move. You are a model of how to treat others with respect and compassion in your everyday life. Consider the long-term effects of your actions on your children as you go about your week. 16. Distractions must be eliminated. It might be difficult to focus when you have so many things competing for your attention as a stay-at-home parent. To avoid distractions while working, switch off the television and put your mobile gadgets in a different room. 17. It's never too late to begin. Don't wait till you're in the mood to get something done before you do it. Even if you don't feel like getting started, there will be occasions when you must. The drive will come as you continue to practice. 18. Build a dream board. Inspiration comes from gazing at photographs. Invest in a big bulletin board and use it to display motivational quotes, artwork and other memorabilia related to your future goals. Keep it nearby whenever you're tempted to give up. 19. At therapy, your lack of motivation may be due to an underlying mental health condition. During counseling, talk about terrible memories from your past. In addition to following the counselor's advice, maintain a diary of your progress in the recovery process. 20. Always be grateful even when things go wrong. There is always something for which to be grateful. Take a moment to thank people who help you raise your children. Thank your children when they do the right thing without being asked. Be grateful for your employment and excellent health. Motivating yourself may be made a whole lot easier when you practice gratitude. Never quit because of the obstacles in your path. Your children rely on and appreciate your efforts on their behalf, and they know how much you care about them. Thank you ladies for supporting Single Moms Make Money. Please leave a comment and hit the like button. Toodles.